Welcome to PUC second year student. Today let us study the chapter number 3 that is production and costs. In production and costs we have to study the 5 more questions that is choose the correct answers from the 4 options are given. Among 4 answers, you have to choose the correct answer, and each carries 1 marks. There are 5 questions are there. If you choose the correct answer for each question, you will get 1 marks, and total 5 marks questions has total marks 5 marks, and you will get total 5 marks from these 5 questions. The questions are the following questions. Choose the correct answers, and each carries 1 marks, and total it has 5 marks. There are 5 questions are there. I will read these 5 questions. You have to clearly understand. First question is, the formula of production function is. What is the formula of production function? You have to choose among the 4 options. And second question is, in the short run, a firm can change or cannot change, and there are inputs fixed or variables. There are 4 options are given. You have to choose the correct answer from among the 4 options. The third question is, the change in the output per unit of change in the input is called. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನದಲ್ಲಿ the change in output per unit of change in input, and what is the product of average product or marginal product or product. You have to choose the among the 4 options. You have to choose only 1 correct answers. And the fourth question is, Cobb-Douglas production function is. What the Cobb-Douglas production function said, what is its formula? You have to choose the correct answer from among the 4 options. The last question is, that is the TC. TC means total cost. And what do we mean total cost? Already have been explained in the period. So you have to choose the TC is equal to what? There are 4 options are given. You have to choose the only 1 options, that is correct answer, and you will have the 5 marks. And you have to attention here. I will read these 5 questions. You see, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Each question has 4 options. You have to choose the only 1 options which is correct. The first question is, the formula of production function is. The formula of production function is, there are 4 options. Option A, Q is equal to F into bracket L K. Q is equal to F into bracket L and K. Option B, Q is equal to D into bracket P. Option C, Y is equal to F into bracket X. Option D, none of the above. Which answer is right among the 4 options? The answer is, the formula of production function is Q is equal to F into bracket L and K. The answer is Q is equal to F into bracket L and K. This is the right answer for the formula production function is, the production function is the relation between output and input. The output are the L and K. L means labor, K means capital, and Q means output or quantity. F is the function. F is the function of labor and capital. So, the production function shows the relation between inputs and the outputs. This is the right answer for the formula production function is Q is equal to F into bracket L and K. This is the right answer. And second question is, in the short run, a perm, in a short run, a perm, option A can change all the inputs, option B cannot vary all the inputs, option C can keep the inputs fixed, option D none of the above. Which answer is right among the four options? In the short run, a perm, already I have explained, in the short run there is no fixed cost and variable cost. So, time is very short. We cannot increase or decrease inputs in the short run. So, we cannot vary all the inputs. In the short run, the perm cannot vary all the inputs in the short run. The answer is, in the short run, a perm cannot, option B, the perm cannot vary all inputs. The answer is, in the short run, a perm cannot vary all the inputs. You have to keep remember, in the short run, a perm cannot vary all the inputs in the short run. Keep remember it. And third question is, change in output. Already I have explained. Changes in output per unit of change in the input is called the option A marginal product, option B average product, option C total product, option D product. Which answer is right among the four options? The answer is, changes in output per unit of change in the input is called the marginal product. The answer is marginal product. Marginal product is the per unit of change in output. It is called as the marginal product. The answer is marginal product. The answer is marginal product. You have to keep remember once again. Changes in the output per unit of change in the input is called the marginal product. The answer is marginal product. In fourth question is, Cobb-Douglas production function is. Cobb-Douglas production function is, there are four options are, you have to choose the one correct answer among the four options. A option is Q is equal to x1 x, B Q is equal to into bracket x1 and x2, and the C option is Q is equal to into bracket x1a dash x2b, and D Q is equal to 0. Which answer is right among the four options? The answer is Cobb-Douglas production function is Q is equal to x1a or alpha, x2b or beta. This is the C answer. C option is right answer. Cobb-Douglas production function is Q is equal to into bracket x1a dash x2b. That is the correct answer. Keep remember it. And the last question is TC. TC means total cost. Total cost. Option A, TVC means total variable cost. Option B, TFC, total fixed cost. Option C, TFC plus TVC. TFC plus TVC. Option D, AC plus MC. Which answer is correct among these four options? The answer is TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. The answer is C, right answer. Answer is C, answer is right. TFC plus TVC. TC included or TC include both total fixed cost and the total variable cost. Total cost, that is TC is equal to TFC plus TVC is called the total cost. The answer is C, answer is right. So you have to prepare and perfect these 5 questions, and you have to select which answer is correct. Only one options you have to choose among the 4 options, and you will get the 5 marks. So this is the very important for examinations. This formula will ask in examinations. You have to prepare these 5 questions will very near to the examinations. There is only the formulas given. Very important. These questions are there. And I request all of you, please, the students and the outsiders, I request you watch my video and subscribe. Without forgetting me, I am Ashok Kurane. These questions are helpful to the most examinations. Example, NET, SET or PUC, second years students, and also those who prepare for most examinations like SDA and FDA and police and other civil services. So you have to prepare these questions are most important questions and will ask in examinations. It is mostly tough. When you not read, that time is very tough. When you understand and understood it, these are the very easy for you. So you have to keep remember, and best of luck you. Thank you one and all.